Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S9 FE, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. In order to do that with tricky navigation, click on this button with 3 lines. Now tap on the icon of your app and select Open in pop-up view. As you can see, now I can use my app in this little window. In order to move it around, hold this line at the top and drag it. Then place it wherever you wish to and let go. To turn your app into a bubble, click on Home button. Then access it by tapping on the bubble. If you wish to resize your window, hold one of its corners. And drag it. When you find the perfect size, let go. In order to close your app, you can drag it to remove section at the bottom and let go, or simply close it in the background. You can open a couple of windows by selecting multiple apps, opening them in the background, and tapping on the icon of each of them. Then just select Open in pop-up view every time and tap on the bubbles. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!